welcome back to my channel. Today we are making lemon slice and making it the recipe that Mum and I like to use. So let's get started. So what you will need is lemons for the lemon slice. You will need sweetened condensed milk, kofa, vegetable shortening, it's kofa, okay. And then these Arnott's milk coffee biscuits. And you will also need a pan a bit like this. It's actually a saucepan. And don't forget to have an electric mixer. Okay, so step 1. You need to line a tray with your biscuits. Make sure they're nice and flat. You may need to cut some biscuits so they will fit. Okay, so step 2, after you have lined your tray with biscuits, you will need to combine the whole thing of sweetened condensed milk, half a bar of kofa, and your lemons. So now we need to juice these lemons. Get all the juice out of them. Try to avoid the pips. Now we're going to pour the lemon in. You'll only need half of the kofa block, so we'll pop that in, and now we'll need to go boil it. Now, when I said boil, I meant melt. Just remember that when you are melting the kofa and pouring the kofa into your pot, it might be a bit hot, so always have adult supervision while doing this. So I'm getting my super mum to pour it in because it can be very hot. Mix all the ingredients together. So now you need to pour your mixed ingredients over your biscuit lined tray. So you need to spread it all out so it covers every single biscuit. So now we put another layer of biscuits over the top. Once again, depending on the size of your tray, you might need to cut the biscuits to fit them in. So So now it's nearly finished. All you need to do now is put it in the fridge so it can cool down so you can ice it. Okay, so we have let this lemon slice so far set overnight, but sometimes it varies on the time because sometimes it might just take a couple hours. So now we're going to put on the icing. If you want to make the same icing, it's basically just normal icing with a little bit of lemon and passion fruit. Let's pour it in. So now I have to put it back in the fridge for this to set, and then once it's finally set, you can enjoy. Thank you for watching.